The planet Earth. This is the only place from where we get air, water, sunlight for surviving since lakhs of years, without which our survival was impossible. Today, in this video, I am going to say that when and how our Earth was born. So please watch this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome to Factpedia. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then hit the subscribe button because I will bring this type of videos to you every week. 50 crores years ago from today, a group of droplets and clouds into which a reaction happened and due to which a ball of fire formed, which we call sun, and the rest dust and cloud particles separated here and there, and with respect to time during gravitational force bonded with each other, and in this process our solar system is formed, and the temperature of our Earth present in the solar system during its birth was around 1200 degrees Celsius. You will be shocked if you know that during birth in our solar system there were more or less 100 planets which used to rotate in their orbits, but with respect to time many planets got destroyed. Few got bumped and was binding into another planets. Earth was one of them. Even the Earth was hotter due to gravitational force. Some metal like iron and copper got collected into the core of the Earth, and the outer layer of the Earth was cooled and the crust was formed. But within this time a comet hits the Earth and some parts of the Earth got lost in space, and like this our natural satellite Moon was formed. In the starting time, often asteroids used to hit the Earth, due to which Earth's upper layer used to look like a layer of molten lava. With respect to time, the hitting of asteroids became less, and the upper layer of Earth cooled down and started forming rocks. In the starting time, the molten lava that came out through volcanic eruption gave a new look to the Earth. The gas coming out due to volcanic eruption, which was nitrogen and carbon dioxide, mixed down and formed the atmosphere. The water vapors present in the atmosphere started becoming clouds and started raining heavily. Due to rainfall of millions of years, the Earth was fully covered with water, and like this, the ocean took birth in the Earth. 4000 crores of years ago from today, life process started in the water bodies. The nitrogen, carbon and hydrogen together formed into amino acid. 3500 crores of years ago, the plants like blue-green algae took birth. In presence of sun, these algae started forming the photosynthesis process by giving out oxygen. Few years after that, some living creatures like protozoa took birth, and from a group of protozoa, many more living creatures were formed during evolution. 60 crores years ago, vertebra creatures took birth in water bodies, and 40 crores years ago, fishes like shark also took birth, and day by day some living creatures of the water bodies came in the land, and like this amphibians was formed, and time started passing, and after few years the Jurassic period already came. In the Jurassic period, huge dinosaurs like Diplodocus and Brachiosaurus used to be seen moving around in the land of Earth. Approximately 14 crores years ago, a dinosaurus named Pterodon took birth, which had 50 feet long wings. This was the first flying carnivorous animal in the planet. But during the end of Cretaceous youth, dinosaurs got extinct. According to scientists, a big asteroid had hit the Earth, due to which cyclones occurred, and the food chain of the Earth got damaged, and dinosaurs got extinct. After dinosaurs got extinct, the evolution of mammals on the Earth got started. The evolution happened like this, that at first came hominoids, then Ramapithecus, after this came Australopithecus, which was found in Africa, and gradually Homo erectus took birth around 18 lakh years ago, who can stand by its leg. Homo erectus was the first stage of mammal evolution which knew the use of fire, and after that at last modern mankind Homo sapiens took birth. According to scientists, Homo sapiens first took birth in Africa since 2 lakh years. In today's world, human beings are found in every corner of the world, and the science of human being technologically became huge. So this was the birth history of our planet Earth. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon, because I will bring this kind of videos to you every week. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.